Welcome to Fix the Future, and today we are going to fix this. I know what we can do with that, and it's not to take a shower. We can use it to hold the microphone. The idea of today's video is to see how we can build a real efficient shower for your home, but also this can be used as a business opportunity or to develop a new product and to take action on the climate change. Let's go back to the basic. We take a shower to remove sweat, dirt, excess body oil, and to do so, we use water, soap, and shampoo. It's a pretty proven recipe, as you know. There's two main problems I want to focus on: the amount of water that we use and the amount of energy that we use when we take a shower. The average American shower takes 8 minutes plus 1 minute to get the temperature right. So this is 68 liters if we use a shower head at 7.6 liter by minute. Just to check, I timed my own shower and it was 7 minutes. I know it's kind of long and I'll do better in the future. But using this shower head here, which is 6.8 liters by minute, 7 minutes times 6.8, it's 48 liters. So it's already a little bit better than the average, but we can do way better. Now for the waste of energy, it's kind of crazy when you think that the water leaving the shower head, it's around for about 5 seconds before it's down the drain. So all this hot water is 5 seconds later, it's in the sewage system. Of course, we use hot water to stay warm, but it's also steaming our whole bathroom, and we need an exhaust fan to get rid of it. So we get all this warmth from the water, and in the same time we just throw it outside. So this is also crazy. Steaming the whole bathroom is also a potential mold problem in the house. And in addition, there's other problems like all the equipment that we need for a shower, all the hot water pipes, the hot water tank. Can we get rid of all of that? How much water do we really need? On the International Space Station, they use some kind of non-rinse shampoo and soap, but it looks like some kind of camping setting, and I think it makes sense to still use water, but how far we can go with that? How little water can we use to take a shower? I did a little experiment at the end of this video to show you that we really don't need a lot of water to take a shower. But before that, let's see the different strategies that we can use to build this really efficient shower. Let's go through 4 main improvements that we can do. First, we don't want to use the water to stay warm. We want the shower to be warm. So to do so, we can enclose the whole shower, and this will prevent us from having to install an exhaust fan because all the steam and warmth will stay at one place. And also it will avoid any mold problems in the bathroom. Then of course there's a shower head. There's a company called Nebia. They did a project on Kickstarter a couple of years ago to build a really efficient shower, and they managed a reduction of 45%. The main innovation was to use the different kind of water nozzle. Instead of being just a little hole, the water nozzle is like a nozzle on a rocket, and with just a little bit of water, it accelerates through the nozzle and it gives the feeling that is a normal shower. The third point is water on demand. In some showers, there's a device to turn on and off the water by keeping the same temperature. Sometimes it's a valve on the shower head. Sometimes it's really like the faucet that is as on-off, and you can keep the temperature. But it's a lot more comfortable if the shower stays warm the whole time, because if you turn it off, then you don't have this warmth from the water normally, and it's not that comfortable, so not so many people would use it. At this point, the amount of water that we use is so little that we can integrate the water heater right in the shower head, so we don't need a water tank. This already exists, but it could be improved on the model that we see quite often in some countries, as you can see here. It's always better to reduce the amount of water that we use, but we can also recycle the water. There's a company called Orbital System. What they do is they cycle the water that is going down the shower head in the drain. It goes into a filter and then it's like in a circle. And if the water is really dirty, it goes down the drain automatically. But with this kind of system, they claim that they can save 90%. We can also reuse the water that we use for the shower, for example, to flush the toilet. But toilet needs improvements, and we'll keep that for another video. But it can be also used to water your plants, for example, as long as the shampoo and the soap is compatible with the plants. My last words for this video is that don't see the shower by itself, but as a part of the whole system in the house. So we can imagine a house where you don't need a well, or you don't need a hot water tank, no hot pipes anywhere in the house. Maybe your shower would be filled like a kettle for tea. Lots of ideas to think about. We'll see that in other videos. So I just did it. I used this sprayer to get wet, and I used 1 cup of water for that. After, I use another cup to shave, and this amount of water to rinse myself. So this is 2.5 liters. So overall I used 3 liters for my shower. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for another video of Fix the Future.